What up guys, welcome back to another JTE video. It's your boy JTE aka Jamie. Today we are eating vending machine foods for 24 hours and we're also doing some other things that I got planned out for today. So I'm gonna just take you guys along with me while we're doing this challenge today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Click that notification bell if you guys are new. I do want to shout out, thank you guys for 35 subscribers. We are still on our way to 1K subscribers. Yeah guys, I'm not giving up. I'm gonna keep, it's been a while since I uploaded a video. So, you know, decided to make a video for you guys. Yeah, let's get this day started. Anyway guys, we're on our way to get some breakfast. Shoot, seatbelts. We're on our way to get some breakfast. So where are we going? We're going to the coin laundry.
I guess so.
Okay, we're going to the coin laundry. We're going to get some breakfast. And I hope everyone's having a wonderful morning. Anyway guys, we'll see you guys over there.
Damn, man, we get the rain.
Well guys, we just pulled up to the coin laundry and it looks like things have changed in there. There ain't no vending machine in there. Well guys, we're gonna figure out where there's another vending machine to get our breakfast at. So yeah, we'll be right back.
Getting it. What you getting, man?
Alright guys, about to get some breakfast. It's on the place.
Twigs, Snickers.
I'm also getting some chocolate chips, some BO.
Enrolling consumers in the prime without their consent and making it difficult for them to cancel their subscription. The agency said Amazon made it difficult for customers to purchase an item without also subscribing to the program, which offers perks like faster shipping and video content. As for canceling a subscription, the lawsuit says it was too difficult to opt out
there you go.
of renewing.
What you want?
FTC Chair Lena Khan released this statement Wednesday. Amazon tricked and trapped people into renewing subscriptions without their consent, not only frustrating users, but also costing them significant money. These manipulative tactics harm consumers and law-abiding businesses alike. The FTC argues that Amazon's practices violated the FTC Act and another law called the Store Online Shoppers Confidence Act.
Now we need a bed.
Released their own
We
statement.
can never forget about the bed. Never, never, never.
And the law. The truth is that customers love Prime. By customers will sign up for and cancel their Prime membership. The City Council Senator Bernie Sanders launched an investigation into working conditions at Amazon warehouses. And as the third lawsuit the FTC has filed against Amazon this year. Launched in 2005,
I thought they was out.
You want one too?
Yeah. I got you.
In China, at least 31 people are dead following a massive gas explosion in a restaurant. You got an idea of where it took place. It happened in northwestern China in Yingchuan. On holiday weekend in the country. 7 other people were hurt from the blast. Reports say the victims included elderly people and high school students. They say an hour after the explosion, employees noticed the smell of gas and found that a gas valve was broken. The explosion happened.
Yes, sir.
So I got
Shake your yoo-hoo, bro. Shake it. You gotta shake it.
you gotta shake it.
You gotta shake it.
Anyways, this is what we got our breakfast. I ain't gonna lie, I'm happy with my breakfast.
Alright.
Some good. Alright, I'm gonna try this out. Oh yeah. Bussin'.
Fuego. Fire.
Fire. scaling this 1 out of 10. 10.
12.
12. Whoa, you said 12?
Yeah.
Can't be saying 12, man.
Yeah, we don't with 12.
No,
13.
12.
13.
And I'm about to try this Yoo-hoo out. Ooh. That's a good mix. Mm-hmm. This is good right here. I would give this breakfast a 10. 10 out of 10 for sure. Good breakfast right here. Anyway, guys, we're gonna finish our breakfast here. We'll get back to you shortly. We are going to get lunch. More like snacks, I should say. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. We'll find some real dinner. Here, guys. We're going to get lunch. Oh, I think that's your phone calling.
Yep.
We'll see you guys over there.
Hold on. You wanna go in here? Oh, they actually sell Pokemon cards. It's crazy. No, just looking. I used to play on this.
Which one?
Dreamcast.
Dreamcast.
I used to have one of those. Damn, dude. I gotta tell Noah to come here.
How much is M&M Video Games? Clearwater, how can I help you? Here, put this back. Selling the Squirtle as well?
Yeah, everything's showed. Only thing that isn't shown in the store is Robbie's. In that case over there, the robot.
Okay.
Hey, you know what I mean?
Almost dropped it.
Also, I guzzled my water already. Yeah, but he doesn't.
Oh, bro. They got Xbox games. Some of them. Yeah.
Need for Speed.
Bro, I gotta come back and get that Ball Z game. They got a Dragon Ball Z game.
These two for you today. You want a bag from? Pops up, you can tap on top or insert.
Have you seen the rubbing alcohol that you got?
Yeah, we should have some up here. That's the bottles that we've gone in. Rubbing alcohol's there. There's the spray bottle on the bottom. See it? Right there, Mike. You're right.
Yeah, yeah.
Want the receipt?
These are for the DS, right? The ones below?
Yeah, there should be DS and 3DS.
DS,
So those are Game Boy Advance, got Game Boy Original, and then over here is Square Cartridge or DS. Up here I've got 3DS. I've got a couple of handheld consoles over here on the side too, if I can collect any of those guys. Okay, and I've got some DS Lites, DSIs, 2DSs.
Oh, look, the Game Boy is
Got the
Bro,
Rover
that's
on the
crazy.
bottom. Got two of them actually.
Oh my gosh. Look, the DS. Oh. My cousin had that. That's crazy. And this is the original first ever DS, right?
That's the DS Lite. I think the original one would be. Do we have one today? I don't think we have one.
No.
Actually, no, we do. The red one here. And this guy here's like the Mario Kart edition of it. Usually they're the original was straight silver, but that's like the Mario Kart
Yeah,
DS edition.
yeah. That's so
That's the
awesome.
OG.
That's crazy. Wow.
We try to have as much cool stuff as we can.
Hey, look. Hey, we can gamble real quick, we can gamble.
Here, get one.
This is gamble. I think they got. Oh no, they don't. They look like they had it. I was about to say they got soups, boy.
They got soups.
It's just tied amounts.
So I guess I'm gonna take my spicy nuts. Oh yeah.
What we getting? Let's see here.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. You can't forget about the bag.
Got to.
Take that spring water.
Spring water. Best water. How much? What you want? What we doing? Oh, no. Good. Yeah. No, the sperm killer.
I think you still had to put more.
Nuh-uh.
Alright, never mind. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna head back to the car. We'll see you guys there. Well guys, I
We
just
thought we were talking to you. We thought.
my dumb ass forgot to press record. We're already eating our snacks.
So to catch up, we got cheesy Cheetos, the gas, and then we got sperm killer. Okay.
I'm already finishing up my Doritos over there. And then spring water, of course. Can never go wrong with spring water, you know what I'm saying? Dang, guys. Man, I had... Wow. I'm sorry, guys. I thought I was recording. But anyways, this is our lunch right here.
Y'all better hit that like and comment.
going to find some real food right now. For dinner. So we'll be right back with you when we find some real dinner.
JTE is back at his work, you know, his job.
You sound like a narrator.
His job.
Anyway, guys, we just stopped by at my job because it's the only vending machine place where there's real food.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so we couldn't record in there just because I respect my coworkers. They do not want to be recorded. And two, they ran out of real food. Can you believe that? Can you believe that?
So back.
Anyways, I got me a camera because I need a camera in my house, but show them what we got, Calvin.
We got pretzels. Got Brisk iced tea.
Brisk iced tea.
2 Yoo-hoos.
What is that?
And sun chips. Garden salsa.
Garden salsa. All right, you try out yours first. Busted. Hold on, wait. You gotta try out your Bev, even though you already tried. Never, never, never. It's nice. It's not that sunny.
Fire.
Fire?
Just like earlier.
Yeah, just like earlier. Alright guys, I'm gonna try mine. Hey, you can never go wrong with pretzels though. Never.
No pretzel.
With a side of bread? Come on now. We're gonna have a good day. Oh yeah. Alright. What you rate yours?
10.
10? I'm gonna rate it 8. I'm gonna rate it 8 just because it's basic. But it's good. Anyway guys, we're gonna see if we can find a dessert vending machine around here. Or might just vlog. Yeah. Anyway guys, we're gonna finish up our dang, this is our dinner. Can't believe this is our dinner, guys.
Yeah.
It's alright. We ain't gonna cheat through this. We ain't gonna go to no Wendy's. We ain't going to no Burger King, man. We gotta do this. We can do this, right? Still got my spring water. Come on now.
I still got some of my sperm killer.
Hey guys, we're gonna finish up our food here. We'll get back to you guys after this. Oh wait, I got it. Well guys, so fun fact, my brother is turning 18. What is it today? 21st? No, 22. So Saturday, my brother's turning 18. So decided to come here at the mall, grab his son for his present. He doesn't really like materialistic stuff, but you know, as a big brother, I always like to get my brother something, you know, because I barely had gotten anything for my birthday. I really never was much of a greedy, materialistic person. I'm not that type of person. But yeah, we're gonna find a gift for my brother, and yeah, I'll see you guys inside.
JTE.
Yeah, we just walked out the mall.
Got some gifts.
Got the bags.
Yeah. And I had my brother Calvin get some, you know.
Yes, sir. Real G. You like going on boats, bro? You wouldn't go. Nah, for real, you don't. Nah, you don't get seasick. For real.
On my first cruise.
But that was a cruise. How long were you out there for?
Not a lot of long. Well, I mean, you know those cruises by the beach that you can get on with.
Yeah.
I was getting on one of those, and we went all the way to like off the Bay of Mexico, and then came back.
So was it a day? Was it like a 3-day cruise type shit?
No.
It was just
1 day.
Oh, 1 day.
Anyway, guys, just get out the mall. Got some gifts from my brother, and we're about to head home. So see you guys over there. Why look ugly head?
Hey man, Nino.
And what?
Oh yeah, fun fact, guys. The homie Nino is at LA.
Oh, I forgot he's in LA.
Just made it back. Got a few items from my brother. Probably 2 days after he from this video. Yeah.
What'd your brother get?
Huh? I got my brother some Nike Air Maxes. Yeah.
Yeah, you got a pair of those?
The dirty as hell. I destroyed them. Anyway, guys. I don't know if I should end the video here. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Alright, I just got the idea. Just gonna give you guys a quick montage of me wrapping up my brother's gift. So, yeah. But guys, just pulled up to the Five Below. Gonna grab just a few more gifts from my little sisters. So decided to bring you guys along too.
Likes what?
She likes drawing, so I might get her.
Bro, that's crazy cute. Squishy, right there. Oh, squishmallows. Oh, I thought it was squishy pillows. Squishy pillows.
We all know how Florida be getting.
Yeah, that too.
Hot as hell. Alright guys, so I guess I'm gonna go ahead to Party City real quick. Just get a few things there. So see you guys over there. Just made it to the Party City. We gonna party like it's party. Oh wait, no. What did Juice will say? The party never ends. I love bingo.
I told you get off my lawn. I told you, son. I told you. Si, senor. Say no to drugs. This is what you'll look like.
Anyway, guys, they're blowing up the bubbles, right? Bubbles. Balloons.
The balloons.
They're blowing up the balloons right now. We're just waiting on them right now. I believe she is turning 11. Anyway, guys, we're just gonna finish up here, and we'll see you guys at the car. Damn, I'm sweating. Anyway, guys, we made it back to the car.
Yep.
Like
Hamsters.
like hamster. We got the balloons in the back. Guys, my C is up. We forgot. Like we forgot to bring the van, guys. We forgot to bring the van.
We are crunched. I am knees to the dash, man.
All right, we. Yeah. Oh Lord.
I think we're officially packed.
We are officially
Packed up.
packed. We're definitely. Hold on, I gotta stop by Publix. I gotta grab some flowers. No. Yeah.
I was about to say, Jamie.
We can fit flowers.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys. We'll see you guys at the crib. So we made it back to the crib. About to take some stuff out. Come on, Kelly. I can't even get out. Oh, guys, just opened it up. It's for my sister. Hey guys, oh yeah, so I'll give you guys another montage of me packing up the rest of my little sister's gifts. Alright guys, we're going to do one last stop. I'm gonna head to Publix. We'll see you guys over there.
That's why you was pushing me out the way.
Yeah,
I didn't realize.
That's your man.
pulled up to the Publix. Alright.
Can't recording you.
Oh, we can record.
Yeah, we'll be straight.
Alright.
Here, the showcase.
Big smiles.
That's nice.
right now. That one looks pretty good. Anyway guys, just got out of Publix. Got some flowers for my mom, because you know, why not? Why not? It's not her birthday, it's not her anything, it's not Mother's Day, you know. It's always good to get your mom some flowers. Anyways, I got some birthday cards for my brothers and sister. About to get everyone sign it, and yeah, and then just a couple more, just a few. Well, it's about like 30 minutes or so. I gotta take cameraman home. Cameraman. It's been an eventful day though. Yeah, it's been a long day, guys. Long day. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the crib. Just made it back to the crib. Just setting up. Got my mom some flowers. I mixed them up for her. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. It's been an awesome day, hot day too, eventful day as well. I'm about to take my brother Calvin home. Yes, sir. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're new, don't forget to click that notification bell for me, please. Shout out to all the subscribers, all you 35. Thank you guys so much. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace.